Hi, I'm Susan Poizner from orchardpeople.com, and thank you so much for joining me for this workshop today. The workshop is called Growing Fruit Trees with Ease, Easy Ways to Keep Your Fruit Trees Healthy and Productive. I grow my fruit trees in my local park, and I have learned about growing fruit trees the hard way. I learned by making mistakes, and my goal in creating workshops like these is to help you grow fruit trees without having to make all the mistakes that I have made over the years. So, in a minute, we'll dive into the workshop. You're going to watch some videos, do some quizzes to make sure you retain the knowledge, and what I'm going to teach you is a 9-step process to growing fruit trees with ease. So in each step, you will learn different ways to keep your fruit trees healthy and productive. They're all easy, by the way, so it's all good. Anyways, let's dive into the course, and I will be back in a minute for our first workshop.